Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today we'll be discussing how to fix a kitchen water faucet. Tools you'll need for this job: a standard pair of pliers, a kitchen towel, and your new aerator. You can pick this up at most hardware stores in the plumbing department. They only cost a few dollars. I'm going to show you the most common problem with the kitchen faucet. It's in this thing right here called the aerator. What happens in the aerator is it smooths the water through several screens. That way you have a nice steady flow. What happens is the washer deteriorates inside the aerator. The easiest fix is to go ahead and buy a new aerator. Take your rag, place it over the old aerator, pliers in hand, gently twist. There's your old aerator. Take your new aerator, place it on the faucet, and twist. Using your rag, cover the faucet aerator and pliers and twist. Make sure you don't make it too tight. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and that is how you fix a kitchen water faucet.